In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get live futures data on TradingView for free in 2025. This tutorial will guide you through steps to access data effectively, whether you're looking to use the free delayed data option or dive into paper trading with real-time simulations. Many traders find TradingView a versatile platform, and knowing how to harness its capabilities without breaking the bank is invaluable. First, let's explore how to use free delayed data provided by TradingView. When you start, head over to the TradingView website and initiate a new chart session. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a symbol search bar at the top of the screen. This bar is your gateway to exploring a wide array of futures contracts. Take a moment to search for the specific futures symbols you're interested in analyzing. When you select a contract, the chart that appears will display data with a time delay, typically around 10 minutes for futures from exchanges like the CME Group. This feature is particularly useful if you want to practice your analytical skills and observe market movements without needing real-time data. Next, for those interested in experiencing simulated live data without financial risk, TradingView's paper trading function is a great option. Navigate to the bottom of your open chart screen. Here you will find a Trade button or trading panel. Click on it, and among the listed options, select Paper Trading. This feature allows you to open a virtual account and simulate trades with real-time market data despite using virtual money. It's a fantastic tool for both beginners and seasoned traders eager to test strategies in a risk-free environment. Now, for those traders who find delayed data isn't quite meeting their needs and prefer real-time updates, there are additional options available. If you have a broker providing a real-time data subscription for the futures markets you actively trade, you can connect this account directly to TradingView's trading panel. Once connected, make sure to verify your account, which is a crucial step to ensure you're able to receive the real-time data feeds your broker offers. Additionally, if accessing real-time data directly through TradingView is more convenient for you, a monthly subscription purchase is an option. This can be done for future data from major exchanges like CME, CBOT, COMEX, and NYMEX. To sum it all up, TradingView offers multiple pathways to access futures data, from free delayed options for basic analysis to paper trading for real-time simulations. And for those who need it, direct connections with brokers or subscriptions can provide the full live data experience. Whether you're just starting or refining advanced strategies, these steps can help you make the most of the TradingView platform without the need for significant upfront investments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.